Good morning, class. So, today we are going to do the exercises which I have given you as homework, and these exercises you have to do in your notebook. Okay, the following sentences are not written in a proper order. Unjumble them and use proper punctuation mark. One is done for you. Okay, so they are jumbled words and we have to arrange them to make a sentence. So first one is done. Second, fly bees flower to flower from. So it will be bees fly from flower to flower. Okay, cheese, butter and milk made are from. Cheese, butter and milk are made from. Cheese and butter are made from milk. Okay, cheese and butter are made from milk. Okay, now fourth, there are 12 months in a year, full stop. Fifth, she washes cups and saucers. She washes cups and saucers after the tea, full stop. Now sixth, my mother gets up early in the morning. Now seventh, his bad stools blames a workman. It will be a workman blames his tools. Okay, a workman blames a bad workman blames his tools. A bad workman blames his tools. Okay, now eighth, here came Ashoka ago minutes a few. Ashoka came here a few minutes ago. Okay, Ashoka came here a few minutes ago. Eighth number. Now ninth number, she cleaned the floor with a brush. She cleaned the floor with a brush. Okay, next, a poor little boy sat in the corner. A poor little boy sat in the corner, full stop. Next, there is no happiness without good health. There is no happiness without good health, or you can write like, without good health there is no happiness. Okay, now exercise number 2. Which of the following groups of words are sentences and which are phrases? Write P for phrases and S for sentences. In the house, this is a phrase. Write P first. Second, he is at a home, sentence. Third, once upon a time, phrase. So P. Behind the door, again phrase. Write P. Fifth, aeroplane zoom. Fifth, phrase P. Right or wrong, again P. In a corner, P. In the garden, P. For my sake, P. Now and then, P. In a few days, P for praise. Okay, might is right, P. Honesty is the best policy, sentence, S. Take care of your health, S. Okay, got it? Now next exercise, this I have given. Okay, read the sentence given below. Now again I want to tell, now you have to do these exercises in your fair notebook. Okay, read the sentences given below. Write in the space D for declarative, I for interrogative, M for imperative, and X for exclamatory sentences. Keep off the grass, it starting with keep, verb, so imperative, I am. How old is your elder sister? Question mark, declarative. This is not declarative, this is an interrogative. Okay, I have written against. All right, so interrogative. I for interrogative sentences. Third, honesty is the best policy. D, declarative. How foolish I have been. Sign of exclamation is there. Exclamatory sentence. The earth goes round the sun. Declarative. All that glitter is not gold. Declarative. D. Will you please allow me to sit down here? Question mark. So, interrogative. Put a question mark here. Okay. Interrogative. How do you do? This is interrogative. Question mark. What a horrible sight it was. Sign of exclamation. This is exclamatory. So, EX. Okay. How many people were there? Question mark. Interrogative sentence. Okay. So, I think these are clear. Okay. Is it clear now? So, these are the kinds of sentences. Now, exercise number 2. Rewrite each of these sentences. There is something missing in all of them. And what is that? So, as we can see, punctuation marks are not given. Alright, so that we will do. Number 1, how sweet this rose smells. This is exclamatory sentence. So, in this way we will write, how sweet this rose smells. Then at last, sign of exclamation. What is the time by your watch? So, this is a question. We will put a question mark. So, first letter will be capital as W is not capital, H is not capital. And we know if we will start any sentence, that first letter will be capital. So, here I have written H capital and here W capital. What is the time by your watch? Sign of interrogation or question mark. Okay, number 3, shut the door, Rohan. Full stop is not given, S is not capital. So, we will write the sentence by writing S capital. So, S capital, shut the door, comma, Rohan and full stop at last. Now, number 4, who was knocking on the door? So, its first letter will be capital, W. W will be capital, who was knocking at the door, question mark. Okay, this is an interrogative sentence. Now, 5th, you must never lie or cheat. So, again, Y capital, you must never lie or cheat. And at the end of the sentence, full stop. Number 6, may God bless you with health. So, this is a exclamatory sentence. So, M capital first of all as we are starting the sentence. May God bless you with health. Okay, sign of exclamation at last. Now, 7th, who has taken my pen without permission? That's an interrogative sentence. So, first W will be capital. Who has taken my pen without my permission? Question mark at the end of the sentence because it is an interrogative sentence. Next, what a thrilling movie it was. So, it is an exclamatory sentence. So, what a thrilling movie it was. Then sign of exclamation at last. Okay. Don't make a noise. Again, D will be capital. Starting of the sentence. Don't make a noise and full stop at the end. 10th, the sun went down at 5:30 p.m. So, T capital. The sun went down at 5:30 p.m. Full stop. Okay, 1 dot for M and 1 full stop. Understood? Okay, now let's see next exercise. Exercise. Divide each of the following sentence into subject and predicate. Okay, for this what I have done, I have circled here subject and I have underlined predicate. Okay, in the same way you have to do. Again, I'm telling you these exercises you will do in your notebook. Okay, so the earth moves round the sun. What is subject? The earth. About what we are talking about? The earth. So, earth will be the subject. Is subject here. I have circled it. And what we are talking about? The earth moves round the sun. So, this is predicate. I have underlined. In the same way you have to do. In second sentence, the sheep. Circle it. This is subject. The sheep are gazing in the fields. Are gazing in the field is predicate. Now, Gandhiji is subject. What is predicate? Was respected by all his countrymen. 4th number, the village schoolmaster. This is subject, taught in his little school. predicate. Okay, in the same way you have to do as I have done. So, fifth number, breakfast is the first meal of the day. So breakfast is what? This is subject and remaining words are predicate. The mother of these children, subject, remaining words, predicate. Tom, subject, always does his lessons well, predicate. The elephant, subject, has a long trunk, predicate. The poor little boy's arms, subject, are all wrong, predicate. The man standing in the corner, subject, is a policeman, predicate. Okay, in the same way you have to do this exercise in your notebook. Now next exercise, look at each underlined word or phrase in the sentence and say whether they are a subject, verb or object in the sentence. So it is great fun. We are talking about it. So this is subject. There are 29 days in a February. Is, am, are, was, were, all are verbs. So verb. R is verb. Their house is next to a mall. So their house, we are talking about what? Their house. So this is subject. Okay. Next, 5 people are moving the piano. What they are moving? The piano. So we are talking. So this is what? The piano. What they are moving? Piano. So piano is what? Object. We really enjoy camping. So in this sentence, enjoy is what? Verb. Okay, this is what? Verb. Done. Now next, exercise number 4. Complete the conversation given below according to the instructions given in the bracket one has done for you. Okay, so we have to use the words as subject, object, whatever is asked, or verb, whatever we are asked, we have to do in the same way. Zubin, hello Rashid, what is it you have in your hand? So what Rashid said, this is a, what you are watching here, this is a medal. So same we will write here, this is a medal. So we have to fill here one object. So medal is object. Zubin, dash gave it to you. Now we have to fill here subject, as question mark is there. So I have written who. Who gave it to you? Rashid, the principal. Now we have to fill here verb. So I have written gave. The principal gave it to, now here object, me. Okay. Zubin, why? Rashid, I dashed the 1500 meter race in school yesterday. Here we have to fill verb. So I have written here won. I won the 1500 meter race in school yesterday. Okay. Now Zubin, wow, dash, wish I also won a medal in the races. Subject we have to fill. So I have written here I wish I also won a medal in the races. Okay. Now Rashid, subject we have to fill. You will if you work hard. So whatever we were asked, I felt according to that. Okay. Done. Now next exercise. Exercise number, underline the subject and circle the object. So first you have to do the same in your question. Underline the subject, circle the object. So we have to underline subject and we have to underline subject and circle object. All children have their parents. So this is done for us. Second, the vegetable, this is subject. Pushing, vegetable seller is pushing his cart down the street. His cart is object. Tom, subject. Now fourth, I miss my best friend very much. My best friend. Okay, I is subject, my best friend is object. Okay. Fifth, my sister, subject. Her geometry box, object. We, subject. In number 6, we, subject. The news, object. 7th, Rohan, subject. A letter, object. 8th, we, subject. The big problem, object. Mother, subject. A cake, object. A huge Alsatian dog, subject. Milkman, object. Okay. Now this exercise also completed. Now next, let's see next. This is next exercise. Look at the picture and complete each sentences below by choosing the correct words. Okay. Here you have to use your minds. Alright. Windows pans are made of glass. Second, cups are usually made of paper. Alright. Next, tractors are made of steel. Fourth, tires are made of rubber. Okay. Fifth, blankets are made of wool. Sixth, shirts are made of cloth. Now, seventh, sweets are mostly made of sugar. Alright. Eighth, bricks are made of clay. Okay. So, these are the answer. These also you have to do in your notebook. Okay. I think all things will be clear to you. Okay. So, this is also given. Rewrite the following sentences putting in the capitals. So, this you are given to do. So, what changes we will do? First of all, again, if we are starting any sentence, that's first words, first letter will be capital. So, here the largest city. So, T will be capital. The largest city in America. A will be capital. S, new, N capital, Y capital, full stop. Okay. Cannot, circus, C capital. Here circus, C capital is in New Delhi. N capital, D capital. Okay. Next, third, King, K capital, George, G capital, was the ruler of Great Britain. Again, Great, G capital, Britain, B capital. Fourth, we sailed to England. So, W capital, England, E capital on the Queen Elizabeth. So, Q capital, Elizabeth, E capital. Now, fifth, Paris, P capital, is the capital of France, F capital. Sixth, the men, T capital, who first sailed to America, A capital, was Christopher, C capital, Columbus, C capital. Okay. Seventh, last Saturday. So, as we are starting the sentence, L will be capital. Saturday, S capital. Henry, H capital. Brown, B capital, took his sons George, G capital, Peter, P capital, and John, J capital, to see Jaipur, J capital. Okay. Now, next, 18th number. The Nile is a large river in Egypt. The capital, name of the river. N capital, is a large river in Egypt. E capital. Okay. Ninth, the Red Sea is to the east of Egypt. So, T capital, red, R capital, C, S capital. Okay. East, E capital, Egypt, E capital. Now, 10th, T capital, the Golden Temple, T capital, Golden, G capital, Temple, T capital, is in Amritsar, A capital. Okay. So, now all exercises I have done, revision also, these were for revising the things that we have done. Okay. Do all exercises. So, again I want to tell, the exercises which are in your book, you will fill in book only, but those exercises which are not in your book, those you will do in your notebook. Okay. Okay, now complete your work, and thank you so much for watching.